What you eating? Do you like that? What you got? Have you got a celery stick? Are you chewing on your celery stick? What you got? Is that good to chew on? You got it. Can you show Mommy how we blink our eyes? Brennon. Brennon. Look at Mommy. What's Mommy doing? Can you show Mama how you blink your eyes? I don't think we're going to do that today. Oh, did you find some cheese? Did you find some cheese? What you got there? Brennon, look at Mommy. Show Mama how you can blink your eyes. Ready? Show Mommy. What do you do when Mommy does this with her eyebrows? Oh, you just are eating up all your vegetables. Yes, you are. Oh, you just love that. Say hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandpa. Come visit me. Come visit me because I'm so cute. Say hi, Auntie Corey. Did you talk to Auntie Corey the other day? Say hi, Auntie Graham. Where's Auntie Graham? Where's Auntie Graham? Oh, I know you're right there. Say hi. Ah, Kenzie, no. Here's Minime's. Baby. What's Mommy doing with her eyes? Can you blink your eyes for Mommy? Brennon. Brennon. Oh, he's not doing it. He blinks his eyes. It's really funny. You are just into that tonight. Mommy have to give you that tomorrow on her flex day. Mommy doesn't have to work. We get to play all day. Oh, you want some water? There you go. Oh, where did your celery stick go? Oh, you're okay. Mommy give you a new one. Oh, did you find something there? Oh, show Grandma how you... Yeah, show Grandma how you get your own water. Lift it up. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Here, you need some help? Here, Mommy, help you. Say, Grandma, I love my water. Yeah. Oh, my goodness. You drink a lot of water tonight. Yeah, we are a thirsty boy. Okay. Look what Mommy's got. Oh. Okay, I better go because I'm going to start to get cranky. What you got? What you got there? Have you got a celery stick? Who's my precious munchkin? I love you. Can you say Mama? Mama. 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 Can you say Mama? Mama. 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 Oh, that was a big burp. Mama. Good boy. Okay, say Grandma, I gotta go. I love you. You can't have the camera. Cookie. Love you, baby.